Here's these squash we grew. These are like a patty pan. They're a yellow. These are the older plants, so we actually grow them at different times. That way we can have squash at different times of the year. You can see these smaller ones here. This size here is actually very good to eat and actually steam. So this one actually has a good, decent size one on it, but you could see all of them on this one little plant. Here's some of the older ones. I really recommend this variety of squash. It's got a really good taste. You could actually fry it up too. Then over here we have some more plants. So this is just 3 plants here. We'll actually put a link to our website for you to go and buy these if you want from seed. A great variety, like we say. They grow really fast.